Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony G. You're watching 1526 Barbecue, and today we're gonna find out what happens when you smoke chocolate chip cookies. Check it out. All right, so today's gonna be really quick and easy. We're gonna take this pack of chocolate chip cookies and we're gonna do half in the smoker and half in the oven. Now, all we're gonna do is follow the instructions in the back of the pack of the cookies. So it says to preheat your oven at 350. We've got the oven inside heating up now, as well as the smoker behind me. We are smoking on some hickory pellets today, and we're gonna be baking these for about 9 minutes. Now, if you watched my smoked frozen pizza video, we learned on that video that the smoker goes a little hotter than the oven and things come out a little crispier. I don't like crispy chocolate chip cookies. I like them gooey in the middle. So I might be pulling those a little early, but we'll see how it goes. All right, we got our cookies separated and ready. These will be going in the oven and these will be going in the smoker. All right, so we actually left them in the smoker and in the oven for about 11 minutes. They may have gone a little long, they're extra crispy, but let's give them a try. I wanna see if I could actually taste the smoke flavor in these smoked cookies. All right, that was taste test number 1. Let's taste the other batch. All right, the kids are gonna give cookies a try and see which one, if they can tell which ones were smoked. So first, take a bite out of the cookie in your left hand.
This one.
You guys ready? Okay, try the other one.
This one. This one, I think. Right hand.
Oh, why do you think that?
I can taste like I don't know, it tastes like steak. It's an interesting idea, putting cookies in a smoker to it.
So you guys are correct, that is the smoked cookie.
Nice.
It's still good.
It's still good, you like it?
Yeah, it's good. It's just if you like that char.
All right, so you can definitely taste that smoky flavor in the smoked chocolate chip cookies. If you're a fan of chocolate chip cookies and smoking barbecue, might as well give these a try. If not, if you're already smoking something, if your pit's running, go ahead and throw some chocolate chip cookies on there and enjoy. We'll see you next time.